What is up guys, Alec here, and today I'm going to be showing you exactly what a Telegram engagement group or round group is. I'm also going to be showing you the exact process so you can start engaging in these round groups yourself. And don't forget to watch this video until the end because I'm going to show you how you can make the entire process way easier and show you exactly how to join these groups. So everyone's heard of an engagement group or DM group on Instagram. Telegram round groups are kind of the same but much better. These are groups with thousands of people who all want to grow on Instagram, and you don't have to send your new post to this group and hope to get likes just like you would in a normal Instagram DM group. The best thing about these groups is that they are organized and there's a system behind them. They are called round groups for a reason. In every one of these groups you have a specific time of day when a round happens, and during these rounds hundreds of Instagram users will like each other's latest posts within a certain amount of time. The whole reason these groups work so well is that there is a bot that monitors everything. They say when the round starts like clockwork, and they make sure everyone who enters a round likes everyone's latest post. And the key thing to these groups is that people who enter rounds and don't like anyone's latest post gets banned. So if you fail to like everyone's post multiple times, you'll be kicked from the chat. So now I'm going to take you through the exact steps, and we're going to start with step 1. So first of all, the bot will ask you to drop your usernames. Depending on the group, you tend to have between 20 to 30 minutes to drop your Instagram handle when the bot says so. For an example, if the first round starts at 8:40 AM, the bot will say drop usernames, and you'll have until 9 AM to drop your handle to be entered into that round. So when I say handle, I mean your Instagram username, so I would drop my username, Alec Lifestyle. You can have the same account to like and receive likes with, or you can engage with one account and receive likes on the other. If you wish to use the same account to give and get likes, just drop your Instagram handle username like this. If you want to receive likes on one account and give back with another, it varies, but it's usually something like this or this. But make sure you check the group rules beforehand just to be sure. So after everyone has dropped their Instagram accounts, the bot will collect all the usernames. And now step 2. The bot will collect all the usernames and compile it into one big list. If you're not using a bot or a software to like everyone's latest post, which I can go through in another video, leave a comment below if you want to know how to make all of this easier with Follow Liker. If you're doing it all manually, just copy and paste the DM lists one by one, direct message it to yourself on Instagram, and always like the most recent post of that account. Like every single account that has been dropped on all of the separate DM lists. The reason it comes in separate lists is because there is a limit to the number of characters you can have in a DM. In most groups, the bot will also announce every 30 minutes or so people who haven't completed the list. So if you're on that list, make sure you go back and like everyone's latest post. And now step 3. Once you're done, depending on the group, you might have to send a message to say that you're finished. For an example, in this group you have to send done with your username following it, and in other groups you don't have to send anything at all. Then the Telegram bot will automatically check every user's profile to make sure you've given the likes to every single user who entered that round. If you haven't liked everyone's latest post when that round is up, you get a warning. In some groups you get up to 3 warnings, others you get up to 5. But once you've hit the maximum number of warnings, you're banned from the group. So that is exactly how you enter rounds. If you want to make it easier for yourself, you can automate this entire process using Fuelgram. They do charge, but it's definitely worth it. I use it myself. I'll link to that in the description below. If you want to see a video on how to simplify this entire process thanks to Follow Liker, let me know in the comment section below and I'll drop a video on that. I've also linked to a few round groups in the description so you can get started ASAP. Just click on these links and it will take you straight through to Telegram. Again, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. I really appreciate all the support. Peace out.